Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog and okay. Today is my birthday. My 36th birthday. Alam niyo yan, 36 na ako. And I just wanna create this vlog as a reminder of what happened today. So, just to recap, I filed for a leave today. But before that, available na ulit yung salted caramel tres leches cake ng M Bakery. So, it has been gone for a while. Pinalit nila yung chocolate tres leches, which is, I'm sorry, it's not really good. I don't like it. Pero ito, meron na ulit ditong salted caramel. So, yeah. Today, I filed the leave for today. And initially, I was thinking, baka pwede akong mag-run ako, mag-golf ako, lalangoy ako sa swimming pool dito sa condo. As in a lot of things that I really wanna do. Mag-gym, ganyan. Kasi nga, hindi ko naman nagagamit yung amenities na binabayaran ko para sa rent dito sa condo, diba? So, okay, sige. I wanna make the most out of it. But then, I woke up early this morning to see na sisipon na ako. And I'm a little bit feverish. So yun. I wasn't able to do a lot today except naglinis ng konti. Pero parang hindi naman ako naglinis ngayon kasi nakikita ko ulit ang dami na namang falling hair dito sa condo. So parang ewan ko na lang. Malalagasin kasi talaga ako ng buhok eh. That's why ginawa ko today ay nag-check out ako ng mga bagay sa Shopee. So, I checked out a vacuum cleaner and a pair of shoes. Kasi naka-sale siya. Yun. Ano pa ba? That. And then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako mag-online. Pero wala, nag-online pa rin ako. And thank everyone who greeted. Thank you so much to everyone who remembered my birthday today. So, yun. Wala, nag-exercise lang ako ng konti. Doom scrolled ng konti. No, I didn't. Hindi ako masyado nag-doom scroll today. Yeah, I cooked my breakfast and my lunch. Watched a lot of YouTube videos. And then I decided to prepare as early as 5 p.m. Para sa 7 p.m. mass. And then, yun, naisip ko parang, ay, gusto ko talaga mag-mass kasi gusto kong lumabas to get myself some flowers and get at least a slice of cake for me. Kasi nga, you know, birthday. Dapat sineselebrate ang birthday, no? I'm a big birthday celebrator. Not only for myself, but also for my friends and my family. Kasi buhay yan eh. It's a life. It's a blessing that God has given to you. So, dapat talaga sineselebrate yun. Okay? So, ayun. Wait lang, kakain lang ako kasi sarap niya. Ay, ang sarap niya. Sobrang sarap niya. Ay, parang mali. Charing. So good. Yeah, it's good. It's really good. Sobrang sarap talaga nito. As in, it's meant to be shared. Pero hindi ko siya i-share. Wala na akong ka-share. Hello. It's really good. Oh my God. Happiness ko talaga to. Thank you talaga binalik ng M Bakery to. Anyway, I went to the church. Hindi ako sa uptown nagsimba kasi gusto ko talaga like a church. And thankfully, yung St. Michael Parish here is really, it's a parish church. It's a big church. Ayun. Ang sayang magsimba. Ang saya magsimba mag-isa. And ang saya sa simbahan na yun. Parang It's really a nice church. It's a beautiful church with a beautiful cross. With a very painful face of Jesus in that cross. Pero parang ang comforting lang ng feeling na nandun ako kanina. Yun. And then I went out. And then on my way, pabalik dito sa condo. Sabi ko, okay, sige, punta kami sa Oshi. Crossing my fingers na sana merong salted caramel 3 leches sa M Bakery. So, punta ako sa baba. And then checked. May nakita akong flower store. So, pumunta na ako. Tinanong ko sa how much are the flowers. Then, nakakita ko ng lilies. But the lilies are super expensive. Like, 800 for 2 flowers. So, parang sabi ko, okay, sige, okay na. Pag-isip ako muna. Pero gearing towards, bibiling ko naman na talaga siya. And then, I went to, sabi ko, bili muna ako ng pagkain. I went to Moe's. Because initially, I really wanted to eat uma. Kasi nakikrave talaga ako nung aburi, truffle aburi, tsaka nung kimchi prawn na maki. Kasi go-to ko yun. Kaso nung check ko naman sa Grab, parang, oh my God, I can't wait for 70 minutes for that. Ang tagal. Mamamatay ako sa gutom. Pero mga ganun katagal din ako nag-intay kasi nga, nag-ikot-ikot pa ako dun. Well, anyway, long story short, pupunta ka na M Bakery. Meron siya. Ba't ako naiyak? Charing. Meron siya. Merong salted caramel 3 leches cake ulit. Like, oh my God, thank you Lord, meron talaga siya. So, yun na. Parang ako, yun lang naman talaga. Ang babaw ng birthday wish ko, gusto ko na talaga makakuha ng flowers. At nito, okay na ako. Well, gusto ko rin naman ng yun. Pero, I can wait. Sorry. Makapag-intay pa ba ako, Lord? Pero sige, mag-intay pa tayo kung yun ang gusto mo. Sige, I'll patiently wait. Kahit nagiging impatient na ako, I'm so sorry. Pero yun. I got myself most na lang. Yung beef rice burger ng Moe's. Yun. And then, bumalik na ako dito sa and then, I went back pala muna dun sa flower store. And then, I asked na parang sabi ko, bibiling ko na. Okay na, bibiling ko na siya. Tapos sabi ni ate, sige ma'am, arrange ko. Free arrangement. I was like, okay, sige ate, pa-arrange. Thank you so much. Sabi ko, that's really a huge thing for me because it's my birthday today. Tapos parang, I'm not gonna buy the raw flowers. I'm gonna buy like an arranged one, which is super duper cute. Tapos yun. Tapos nung tapos na i-arrange, may kasamang isang Ecuadorian rose. I'm so blessed. Like, I really am super blessed. Tatlo siya eh. So, hindi ko alam kung may ano din yung Ecuadorian rose. Pero mukhang wala. Kasi tatlo lang to eh. It's a beautiful thing. With eucalyptus pa siya. So parang, Lord, thank you so much for this. Thank you. Ayun, yun lang. Umuwi na ako dito sa condo cause, ewan ko, parang ang lungkot kumain mag-isa sa labas. Kaya I decided to just go home and spend time here. Yun. So ito, ngayon ako mag-isa, kumakain. Ninanamnam ang aking mga bulaklak na nakuha. Can't wait for the lilies to open up. And then, yun, kakain na ako. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my 36th birthday celebration. It's 10 p.m. already. I only have 2 hours to celebrate more. Be comfortable alone. That's actually it eh. Parang kaninang morning. Sabi ko parang ang daming ayaw ni Lord na gawin ko. Baka gusto lang ni Lord magpahinga talaga ako. So, because Q4 has been really noisy for me. Ang daming events sa office. Ang daming family events. Ang daming friend events. of which surprisingly hindi ako masyado nag-beg off. Kaya I think masaya yung mga kaibigan ko kasi parang nakita nila ako today, I mean on those days, as a person na laging absent at nagbe-bail out. Ang dami nangyari this year. Ang daming plot twist, ang daming what moments, ganon. Ang daming ganong moments sa papa. What? Na lang talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko siya nagawa, bakit siya nangyari, paano siya nangyari, paano napunta sa ganong sitwasyon. Pero, wala naman ako pinagsisisihan. This year, I think I was able to explore more and learn more about myself, what I want, what I do not want. Things like that, most especially in relationships, friends, and with guys. So yun, I'm still learning at 36, oo, nagkaka-existential crisis yata ako. But I'm still learning, and I think that's the value of life, to just continuously learn. Yun, so, nothing really much happened. It's a very uneventful day for me. But nonetheless, it's a day, it's probably a day how God would have wanted me to spend my birthday on. Tama ba yun? Term na yun. Basta yun, parang, basta, ito yun eh. Pahinga at bumalik sa Kanya. Because I was able to really pray today. And celebrate my life as I celebrate the life of Jesus. Yun. So there, very short lang. Thank you so much to everyone who remembered. Happy birthday to me. Road to 40 vlog. Let's see. Bye.